Big one right off this morning, everyone. Beautiful day. Look at that. The sun is out. First time in a month. I know now you guys haven't had any uploads in a couple days because the weather was so bad. So bad. It's almost depressing. I'll get you guys back into it. I'll get back to more videos. We'll get them in this week. You can see what's going on there. We're finishing up here. Look at how this came out. Looks really good. Boys are just rounding off the top there. Boys are just rounding off the top. Look way over on the other side. Everything's all done. Everything looks really good there. Beautiful day. Finally getting some sun. So like we were saying, I didn't upload Monday and Tuesday because weather was awful. Awful. So we'll probably be back at it. I'll put this up on Wednesday. All right, you guys. Look at all the hedge here. Look at that. Our guy that picked up is gonna be happy with that. Look how beautiful that came out. Came out really nice. Haven't been done in a couple of years. That one was all the way around both sides. Big job here. Let me see how long it took us. It took us an hour. Big one. Go show you guys the top. Go show you guys top over here.